Ever wondered what happens when you make peanut butter your daily snack buddy? It's not just tasty. It's like bringing a flavor fiesta to all your favorite dishes. Made from ground-roasted peanuts, this spread isn't just a treat. It's a texture party, all smooth and nutty. The best peanut butter keeps it super simple, with just roasted peanuts and a pinch of salt. Whether you're a veggie lover or not, peanut butter becomes your tasty source of protein and healthy fats. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the yum, it's a fitness friend too. Packed with protein, heart-friendly fats, and a hint of vitamin E, peanut butter is here to amp up your health game. Now get ready for the exciting part. In this video, we're spilling the beans on the endless wonders of this jar of joy. Surprising health perks that make peanut butter a snack superstar. Get ready for a delicious journey of taste and health discoveries. With that said, buckle up because we're diving into the goodness. Let's explore the fantastic benefits of making peanut butter a regular part of your munching routine. Benefit number 1, rich in vitamins and minerals. Get ready for the nutrient-packed peanut butter party. Peanut butter is a mineral treasure trove, boasting copper, phosphorus, and manganese. But that's not all. It's also packing potassium and zinc, making it a nutrient powerhouse. Niacin, a key player in energy production and maintaining healthy nerve function, finds its home in peanut butter. This superhero nutrient even helps keep your skin glowing by battling inflammation caused by acne lesions. But wait, there's more. Thiamine, another essential nutrient, takes center stage in peanut butter, contributing to muscle growth and development. Iron, the oxygen transporter in your blood, is also on the guest list. Just 1 tablespoon of peanut butter delivers a punch of iron, helping you stave off anemia and its pesky symptoms like fatigue and headaches. In a nutshell, peanut butter isn't just a tasty treat. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse ready to fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Benefit number 2, high in protein. Get ready to power up with peanut butter's protein punch. Peanut butter isn't just a delicious spread, it's a protein powerhouse. With a generous 7 grams of protein per serving, that's about 15 to 20% of your recommended daily intake as an adult. But here's the real kicker. It's a complete protein source, serving up all the essential amino acids. Amino acids are the superheroes in our body, building muscle tissue and repairing cells damaged by the rigors of exercise, stress, or injury. The result? Peanut butter becomes your ally in building muscle mass. In fact, a study by the University of Toronto revealed that regular peanut butter eaters increased their muscle mass by a whopping 4% compared to those who skipped out. So whether you're spreading it on toast or dipping your apple slices, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're fueling your body with a protein-packed delight. Enjoying the peanut butter goodness? Before we unravel the next health benefit, show us some love. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, ensuring you never miss a scoop of our informative videos. Your support keeps the knowledge flowing. Benefit number 3, high in healthy fats. Time to celebrate the heart-healthy side of peanut butter. Sure, peanut butter is a taste sensation, but here's the real scoop. It's a rich source of healthy fats that could be a game changer for your heart health. Packed with these heart-loving fats, peanut butter can help dial down cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Now let's talk numbers. For adults, the recommended daily fat intake is around 20 to 35% of total calories. So if you're on a 2,000 calorie diet, that translates to roughly 65 to 100 grams of fat per day. The magic of peanut butter lies in its fat content, about 50% unsaturated fat, delivering a bouquet of health benefits. Spread it on your toast, blend it into your smoothie. Not only are you treating your taste buds, but you're also giving your heart a reason to smile. Peanut butter, the spread that's as good for your heart as it is for your taste buds. Benefit number 4, rich in antioxidants. Peanut butter isn't just a spread, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants, your secret weapon against the risk of cancer. Meet resveratrol and quercetin, the antioxidant heroes in peanut butter. These mighty compounds go to battle against free radicals in your body, preventing them from causing havoc and damage to your healthy cells. But here's a pro tip for reaping the maximum health benefits. Choose a peanut butter brand that skips the hydrogenated fats or oils. These fats, often added to prevent oil separation, can be a bit of a troublemaker. Hydrogenated fats, created by adding hydrogen to vegetable oils, might be solid at room temperature, but they can mess with your cholesterol levels and up your risk of heart disease. If you're keeping an eye on cholesterol or heart health, steer clear of hydrogenated fats as much as possible. Benefit number 5, low in carbs. Peanut butter isn't just a tasty treat, it's also a go-to snack for those watching their carb intake. Long hailed as a low-carb champion, peanut butter was once thought to be a weight loss ally due to its high protein and low carb content. While it might not be a magic weight loss potion, it's still a fantastic option for anyone looking to keep their carb intake in check. Now, let's break down the numbers. The carb content in peanut butter varies based on the type you choose and how much you enjoy. A serving size of 2 tablespoons typically contains 10 grams of total carbohydrates with 5 grams of fiber. Crunch the numbers, and you're left with a mere 5 grams of net carbs. So whether you're spreading it on crackers or diving in with a spoon, peanut butter is a deliciously low-carb delight. Benefit number 6, manages blood sugar levels. Peanut butter isn't just a spread, it's a blood sugar management maestro. Research shows that peanut butter plays a key role in slowing down digestion, preventing those rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This makes it a star player for folks managing diabetes. The protein in peanut butter delivers amino acids that transform into glucose, becoming a vital energy source for the body. It's like a steady stream of fuel, helping to keep blood sugar from plummeting too low. But here's the sweet twist. Peanut butter isn't just for those with diabetes. It's a friend to everyone at risk of developing it. So whether you're spreading it on toast or dipping your veggies, know that your peanut butter joy is doing wonders for your blood sugar levels. Benefit number 7, supports weight loss. Peanut butter, your pal in shedding those pounds. In moderation, peanut butter becomes your weight loss ally, thanks to its rich monounsaturated fats that keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, it's a superhero for those on keto or low-carb diets, boasting 0 carbs. But here's the fiber factor. The fiber content in peanut butter plays a crucial role in weight management. It's your secret weapon in the battle against overeating, making you feel satisfied and helping you keep those portion sizes in check. In fact, a study in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association spilled the beans, or peanuts in this case. Those who enjoyed a bit of peanut butter before bed ended up eating less the next day. With a plethora of peanut butter varieties out there, finding one that fits your diet and lifestyle is a breeze. Just flip that nutrition label and choose the one that tickles your taste buds the most. Benefit number 8, boosts energy and mood. Peanut butter, your go-to for an energy pick-me-up and a mood boost. Ever wonder where that surge of energy comes from after indulging in peanut butter? It might be all about the impact on your blood sugar levels. Plus, peanut butter isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's been linked to lower rates of depression. In a study, those munching on peanuts 3 times a week were a whopping 50% less likely to develop depression compared to non-peanut eaters. What's the secret sauce? Antioxidants called phenolics in peanuts could be the mood-boosting heroes. These phenolics bring anti-inflammatory properties to the table, potentially reducing symptoms of depression. And let's not forget thiamine, the MVP in peanut butter that helps convert carbs into the energy your body's cells crave. With enough thiamine, you're steering clear of that midday fatigue and irritability, keeping your energy levels on the up and up. Benefit number 9, boosts heart health. Peanut butter, your heart's best friend. Peanut butter is packed with unsaturated fats, the heroes that swoop in to lower those bad cholesterol levels. But that's not all. It brings amino acids to the table, like arginine and tryptophan, working their magic to enhance blood flow and reduce inflammation. Arginine even takes it a step further by relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Resveratrol, the antioxidant superstar found in red wine, is also making an appearance in peanut butter. It's here to lower blood pressure and boost blood flow to that vital heart muscle. And don't forget about vitamin E, the defender against plaque buildup in your arteries, ensuring a smooth flow. Harvard Medical School researchers dropped some wisdom too. Indulging in peanut butter at least 3 times a week could potentially slash your heart disease risk by 5%. Now that's a heartwarming reason to savor that peanut butter goodness. Peanut butter isn't just a spread, it's a culinary magician enhancing your favorite recipes from cookies to cakes and even ice cream. But here's a pro tip. Give it a good stir before diving into your creations to prevent any oil separation. Now let's talk nutrition. Peanut butter isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse of plant-based protein, delivering on iron, magnesium, and more. It's a calorie-dense delight, making it a fantastic snack to bridge the gap between meals. And the best part? There's a multitude of affordable brands to suit every taste. If any lingering doubts about peanut butter crossed your mind, we hope this video has put them to rest. If you enjoyed the insights, hit that like button and subscribe for more enlightening videos. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.